You are watching Technology the Killer. So guys, in today's video series I am going to tell you about that how we can make any file and folder as a publicly in a Google Drive. So before starting this guys, if you are new in my channel and still you have not subscribed it, so first of all subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest update from YouTube channel. So let's start now. So first we will go to our Chrome, and as I'm here, and we simply will type google.com. So let me wait for the till open. So as I have opened my Google, then you will see in the right top corner there will be some options. You have to click here, and you have to go on the Google Drive. So as I have already opened this, so I am going to show you that about that how we can make any file as a public linking so that anyone can watch your video. So let me explain. So as you can see here that there is a one video of Shiba Inu, and I want to share it. So I will simply click on the video and then click on the right button. So there will be an option of share. So we will click on the share, and you will see here that there is an option. So let me wait for till open. So you can see that there is an option anyone on the internet with this link can view, because I have changed it. So if you will change here, you can change from here if you want to make as a publicly or private. If you want to change it as a private, then you can click on the restricted. If you don't want to make any private, then you can make it as anyone with the link, and you have to simply done, and you have to copy link from here and you can share anyone. So in this way you can make your file as a public key. So how was the video? So guys, if you like the video, so please thumbs up and do your valuable comment and thumbs up also. Thank you.